Removing a processor heat sink. Make sure the top side of the node is facing up. Unfasten the 4 screws that secure the fan shroud to the node. Lift the fan shroud up from the node and place it on a flat, clean surface. If applicable, remove the expansion filler. Unfasten the 2 screws that secure the expansion filler to the node. Holding the edges of the expansion filler, lift it out of the node. If applicable, remove the expansion kit. Slide the XCC Network Access Label tab outward from the node. Unfasten the 4 Phillips number 1 screws located on the short side of the top cover. Notes: make sure to slide the XCC Network Access label back after the screw underneath it has been removed. Unfasten the 4 Phillips number 2 screws located on the long side of the top cover. If the screw to be removed is covered by the fan cable, carefully pull out the fan cable before removing the screw and putting the cable back. Turn the node over so that the bottom side is facing up. Unfasten the 2 Phillips number 1 screws located on the short side of the bottom cover. Unfasten the 6 Phillips number 2 screws from the long side of the bottom cover. Hold the blue touch points on the rear side of the node and the I/O bracket handle on the front side of the node and pull the front and rear I/O brackets out from the node. Lift the bottom cover off the node and place it on a flat, clean surface. Carefully separate the front of the system board from the top cover. Gently lift up the rear side of the system board until it is fully separated from the top cover. Lift up the system board to remove it from the top cover. Holding the sides of the system board, and then place it on a static protective surface. First, partially unfasten screws 1 to 4 on the heat sink. And then fully unfasten them. Lift the heat sink evenly to remove it from the server.